Hi, welcome back to another business-like tutorial. About 5 minutes ago, I was talking to a client and they've got a problem with their email system. And it's most likely something to do with the outgoing and incoming servers. So it turns out it's actually the problem on the phone rather than the computer. Now, I always use TeamViewer to share my computer, or to share their computers, because I just think it's a fantastic software. Now, because I couldn't see the phone directly, I thought, you know what, let's try take control of the phone via TeamViewer. Didn't know if it was going to work, but anyway, I downloaded TeamViewer. And I noticed that they've also got another app to enable you to actually take control of someone else's phone via TeamViewer as long as they've got the app installed. And the app is called, I've not done any prepping for this video, by the way. I've just got very excited over it, so I thought I'll quickly create the video. And the app is called Quick Support. And once you've downloaded TeamViewer and then once you've downloaded Quick Support, it's a really easy setup. You don't even need to log into an account. And all you've got to do, Quick Support will say to you, they will say, I'm just going to block this, and that it will basically, I don't think it's too bright. What it says is how to connect to this device, and they tell you to go to this URL right here, as you can see on my screen, and then it tells you to enter the ID that's displayed on your phone, or of your client's phone, or the phone that you're trying to access. Now, just see how smooth this actually is. 1 second. What I'm going to do, because I don't want you to see the ID, I'm going to pause the video, already enter the ID into where it says partner ID, and then I'll show you what it looks like once you've entered the ID. Okay, so once you tried entering the ID here, a notification will pop up on the person's phone saying allow remote support from this individual. If you press allow, then then you can see that it's started here, and on my taskboard here you can see that a screen's just opened up, and there we go, just like so. And you can see that this is my phone right now, but it could be anyone's phone. And just watch how smooth this actually is. Click on that, and then bang, and just so you can see, yeah. Go out of it, bang, just like so. Let's go into Instagram, for example. There are so many possibilities here. So many. If you keep scrolling, blah blah. It's absolutely incredible. So smooth, easy to use, and it's almost real time. There's a slight delay, but that really doesn't matter. And now I can very easily go into my client's email and sort out the issue on their phone. I just wanted to share this with you because I thought if it benefits me, it might benefit you. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a comment. Let me know if you want me to talk about anything else, or if I've discovered anything else. Leave a like and also subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.